EURUSD daily markup for Wednesday, the 22nd of October. This is the daily chart. On the daily, the swing is bullish. We've had a break of market structure here, after which we are pulling back. Is the pullback over? No. Why? Because we don't even have a change of character or an internal break of structure. So if nothing has changed, then I can expect the trend to continue. We're making higher highs and higher lows. So we tapped into this daily supply, and I now expect this trend to continue. That's as far as the daily is concerned. On the H4, we are bearish because we're playing the daily pullback. So we had a break of market structure here, after which we have pulled back into some kind of a supply here. Is the pullback deep enough? Yes. Has the pullback ended? What can we say as far as the structure is concerned? Well, we've had a change of character here, and then we've had if this is the internal structure, so I can say that the internal has also been broken. So therefore, I would now expect this trend to continue. I can also mark this as the 4-hour swing low, which is now expected to be taken out. What led to the break of this or the change of character? Well, I can say this candle here. So I can possibly mark this as my 4-hour supply, and I would expect the price to kind of come into here and then continue further down. So this is as far as the 4-hour is concerned. Now moving on to the M15, where we formulate our ideas more for trading. Let me just put this here. So on the M15, is also bearish. We've had a break of structure here, after which we've had quite a bit of a pullback. Oh, and another thing was that, you know, on the H4, we also see that there is this huge fair value gap. For those of you who come from an ICT kind of a background, so, you know, there's a huge imbalance, and we expect price to kind of dip into this, which it has. And yeah, so but I think there's further imbalance that needs to be balanced, so maybe the price comes down, which again is in line with, you know, this being a weak low that should be taken out, and this now being the strong high. So coming back to the M15, where are we? We are we've had a deepish kind of a, you know, after the break of market structure, this leg has continued for quite a bit. And you know, we expect a pullback to happen. What will signify the pullback? Well, I would need to see a break of well, this was a change of character, but you know, I would like to see a break of this or a break of this to then say that the pullback has started, and I would then be interested in looking for longs up to here because I would be playing the M15 pullback. So let's see how this goes. There are a lot of zones that I can see. You know, this is a supply zone that could attract the price. We got all these little demand zones, but I don't, you know, feel that these are going to hold because of the huge imbalance on the 4-hour that we saw. So I think we're going to, you know, probably pull up a little bit and then come down. So maybe maybe something like this, and then we kind of you know, go down like this. So that's my expectation as far as the M15 is concerned. Let's wait and watch and react to what price does as far as the sessions are concerned. So we are in the Asian session. Nothing, let's just wait for London to open and then decide what we want to do. But yeah, I would be looking at possibly longs if we take this out, and you know, because I do expect a pullback to start happening. We've already pulled into this zone, which is a daily demand zone. We dipped into the imbalance, and this could probably fuel an upward movement to maybe this supply level. So yeah, let's just wait and watch and react according to what the market does. All the best, and may the markets be with you.